In our today lecture, we are going to learn the first topic of differential calculus, that is called indeterminate form. So in this indeterminate form, basically what we are going to do is, instead of learning all the basic formulas, theories, procedure, blah 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 things, directly we are going to take the questions. We are going to do reverse engineering. Let us see how to solve the questions directly. From the questions, I will be covering all the basics. So try to learn all the fundamental basics of each and every theorems only through problems. Then if you apply these logics directly into the problems, you will be automatically getting the answer. So in this way, I hope you all will get the complete idea about the engineering mathematics. Especially, most of the people are feeling this differential calculus and integral calculus. One more thing is there, that is vector calculus. So whenever even I am talking to my students, they always used to say that, sir, this chapter is very tough, sir. We have learned so many things, sir. We have tried to solve so many problems, but still we are stucking, sir. So let's try to remove all these negative activities. Definitely at the end of this lecture, at the end of this differential calculus, you'll be able to solve all the questions, because we are not going to cover any concepts directly. I'm not going to let you all to sleep like by taking a very big theory and deriving step by step. Slowly what you people do, sir, it's we can't watch these many hours and it's really making us to feel lazy, we are feeling sleepy, blah 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 things. So avoid all these things. Let us start from the first one. So in this differential calculus, the first topic that we are going to learn about is indeterminate form. So just to keep this word in your mind. Now we are taking the first question. Let us see how to solve this question and what is the indeterminate form, sir. Just keep that word in your mind. Continuously ask that what is this indeterminate form. Let us see. So in this question, basically what it is given is, if f of x equal to 2x square minus 7x plus 3 by 5x square minus 12x minus 9, then limit x tending to 0, f of x will be dash. Whereas they have given four options. Option A is minus 1 by 3, option B is 5 by 18, option C is 0, option D is 2 by 5. So what is the expected answer, sir? Let us try to solve this question. So first, directly take the given question. What is given? F of x equal to 2x power 2 minus 7x plus 3 upon 5 times of x power 2 minus 12x minus 9. Whereas limit, observe the question carefully, limit extending to 0 f of x is dash. So let us take the second point. Limit, when the value of x is approaching to 3, what is the expected value of f of x? What is the actual meaning of this one? We have to replace, in the whole function, we have to replace x by 3. So when I am doing that, let us see what will happen. 2 into, in place of x, if I am replacing it by 3, it will become 2 into 3 power 2 minus 7 into 3 plus 3 upon, again 5 into 3 power 2 minus 12 into 3 minus 9. Let us add all these things. 3 square will become 9. 9 into 2 will become 18. Yes, sir. So first one is going to be 18. And second one minus 7 times of, it will become 21. Yes, plus 3 upon, in the denominator if you observe, 5 into 3 square. 3 square will be 9. 9 times of 5 will be 45 minus 12 times of 3, that will be 36 minus 9. What will be the answer? Sir, minus 21, 18 plus 3 will also will be 21. 21 minus 21 upon 45 minus 36. Minus 36 minus 9, how much? That is also 45, sir. So what is the answer? 0 by 0. See, since our childhood onwards, we are dealing with so many mathematics relations. Have you ever seen these kind of relations? So we can say, when we are multiplying some value with 0, we can say resultant value will be 0. We can say some value is called infinity, there will be some value is called 0. We might have seen these kind of values. And we have seen some finite values also, 12, 13, 100, 1000, lakhs. But we never observed these kind of formats. So whenever you are observing 0 by 0 as the conclusion, it means what type of format it is, sir? What is the actual answer? I'm just asking what is the ratio of 0 by 0? Can you tell me? If I am asking you to put 2 by 2, you can say that is 1. If I am asking you to take the ratio between 4 by 2, you can say this answer is 2. But when we are taking both 0 0, what will happen, sir? So you should think, sir, if I am dividing 0 by 0, again it will become 0 only, na, sir? No, that is wrong. Why? Because the value of 1 by 0 will be approaching to infinity. Infinity itself, it is called undefined value. Undefined value means this value is not defined yet. So when you are multiplying an undefined value with 0, resultant value also not known. So this 0 by 0 form is simply called indeterminate form. Indeterminate in the sense this resultant value is indeterminate. We could not find out this. That is called simply indeterminate. That is simply called indeterminate. Sir, what should I do in that case? So whenever a function will be given like this in your question and you are asked to calculate the value of these some limit, if they are asking you to calculate the value of f of x, then you are trying to approach just to do in the same format. If you are observing that the resultant value is undefinite, then what you have to do? What you have to do is again step number 2. This is the first step that we have done so far. Now we are going to start up with the second step. Second step is we have to find out the value of f dash of x. F dash of x means basically this is called df by dx. We have to differentiate the function in both numerator and denominator separately. So here the thing is this differentiation for the numerator and the denominator is separate. You no need to confuse your denominator with the numerator. Do the differentiation separately. It means take the numerator alone. If you observe the function in the numerator, we have 2x square minus 7x plus 3. If I will differentiate the numerator, 2x square will give you 4x minus 7x will give you 7 plus 3 is constant. So differentiation of constant will become 0. Similarly, in the denominator, take the denominator portion separately. Just repeat the same procedure. Differentiation. 5 times of 6x square, that will give you 10x minus 12x will give you 12. Yes, sir. So after finding this, now you can repeat the same procedure. Limit x is approaching to 0, but now we are going to consider f dash of x. So what we have to do? In f dash of x, we have to replace x by 3. So let us see. When I am replacing x by 3, it will become 4 into 3 minus 7 upon 10 into 3 minus 12. So this will be equal to 4 into 12. Sorry, 4 into 3. What is the value? 12, sir. So 12 minus 7 upon 10 times of 3 will be 30. 30 minus 12. So what is the resultant answer? You know 12 minus 7, that will give you 5 upon 30 minus 12, that will give you 18. So the correctly expected value, see, now 5 by 18 is finite value or not? Yes, sir, this value is finite. Finite value means this is the resultant determinant value. This is not indeterminate value, this is finite value, it is determinant value. So the correct expected answer for the above question is 5 by 18. So go back and select your answer is 5 by 18. So what we understood here, so there is one format. Whenever you are observing that the resultant expression is having 0 by 0 form, then that is called indeterminate format. So under this situation, what we have to do, take the function, differentiate it once. Now you have to raise the one more question. Sir, suppose after finding the first differentiation, when we are replacing x by 0, once again if I am getting 0 by 0 form, then what should I do? If you are once again getting 0 by 0 form, then repeat the same procedure. Go to the third step. Again differentiate the function 2 times. Then again substitute the limit. Once again if you are getting 0 by 0 form, then repeat till the final determinant value will exist. So you have to repeat this procedure. This is how we are applying, that is how we are bringing the finite value for the indeterminate form of the function. So that's why in this topic we are simply calling it as indeterminate forms. So we are finding the solution for indeterminate forms only. So this is all for this lecture. In the next lecture we will be going up with some other indeterminate form. Slowly try to understand the fundamental basics directly through the problems, and then try to apply this logics in the upcoming exam questions or whatever the practice questions that you are having. You'll be directly able to give the answer without knowing any other conceptual things. Thank you all.